got here is the rear silencer and the rear back box on my car's exhaust, the silencer. It started rattling inside, and it was rattling pretty bad, and it's a pretty brand new part, and I got pissed off. I tried to figure out why it was rattling. I couldn't. What I did was I cut the motherfucking thing out, see? And I'm gonna cut the rest and see what's rattling inside. And I might lose the part, I might have to buy a new one, but this one's not gonna rattle anymore on my car because it pisses me off. Okay, so, how nice. This part probably is doomed, and probably I'm gonna have to buy a new one, you know? But now, now I see what's rattling. Can you see? This one is still, and this motherfucker here, can you see it? This motherfucker here is the one doing all the rattle. So what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? I'm gonna weld the piece of shit back on. Truly I will. And if I knew this, I would have done just a hole on this side and cover it with some solder, but it's always like this. See, it's loose, and so this was the motherfucking responsible. Yeah, that was the responsible for the rattle. Okay, I guess I'm gonna weld the thing back on. And then I'm gonna try and fit this cover and weld it as well. And I'm not sure I'm gonna succeed. Probably I'm gonna lose the part, but I don't care. I couldn't stand the rattling anymore. It was pissing me off, believe me. I was like going crazy with that shit. I'm gonna weld it. so now I have to deal with this part. This is made of 2 layers, so when I cut it, this is made out of 2 layers. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hold them like this with a pair of pliers and put some dots of solder to keep them together, to then weld them back in the box as one. So what I'm gonna do first is like this. On this side I'm gonna apply a couple of dots, and I'm gonna then fit it in the box and start welding all around dot by dot. Oh shit, I don't have ground. Stupid. Okay, here we go. So one in the middle. It's not a very good idea like this, so I'm gonna turn it around and do it like this. And it's gonna reach both sides. And as you can see, the weld penetrated to the other side. Here you got the different color, means it penetrated, so both are staying together. This then makes it easier for me to fit it back in place. I think I gotta push a bit more. It's not strong enough. I'm gonna push a bit more and it's gonna be okay to weld. Okay, so I'm gonna do this all around. Go on. Okay, so now that I got both parts back as one, I'm gonna start welding the thing all around to keep it in place properly. And this might be the difficult part. This has to be done dot by dot. And as I go, I cannot I shouldn't have left all space on one side. Shit. It's gonna start digging holes. This is gonna be tricky. I'm gonna go like this all around, okay? Alright, I just finished welding the thing, and there's a lot of spatter. It's an ugly weld because the machine is a no-gas machine, a cheap one, but I think it did the job more or less. So this is how it looks, and now it's not rattling anymore. Okay, before I knocked the camera down, I was saying that it's a bit better. I'm gonna try to make it look a bit better with the grinder. It's like this, welded all around, a lot of spatter, but right now when I shake it, I think there's a bit of solder inside, but that rattle which was pissing me off in the car is not there anymore. So now I think all I have is like a tiny little piece of these blobs of the weld that are around here. See, there's a lot of spatter. One of these probably is inside from when I was welding the inside, which was loose, but that will come out as soon as the car starts working. So that rattle which was like pissing me off is gone. This looks pretty bad, but it might work. Fit it to the car.